Today I wish to share with you a profound insight into the transformative power of personal development, an understanding that came into sharp focus through my interactions with an extraordinary mentor, Jim Rohn. When I was 24, it was Jim Rohn's wisdom that challenged me to think deeply about my future. He asked a simple yet life-altering question. Are you reading the books that will take you where you want to go in the next 5 years? This question transcends its literal meaning. It's about the daily disciplines, the consistent actions that carve out our future paths. It compels us to reflect on whether our current actions align with our ambitions for the next 5, 10, or even 20 years. Consider for a moment where you stand today. Picture a circle representing your present situation. Now imagine where you could be in 10 years. The journey from here to there isn't haphazard or left to fate. It's a result of intentional, daily disciplines. It's about actively moving toward the mental, personal, spiritual, and financial goals we aspire to achieve. Yet this journey isn't solely about the disciplines we adopt. It's equally about shedding illusions, the fallacy that hope without effort or dreams without plans will lead us to our goals. At 24, I realized the futility of relying on luck or chance, what I term the cross-finger theory. It's critical to evaluate our current path and, if necessary, choose a new one characterized by reading, learning, and discipline. The gap between where you are and where you could be in a decade can be vast in terms of lifestyle, wealth, and personal fulfillment. Bridging this gap often requires not a complete overhaul, but a modest 5 to 10% adjustment in our habits and thinking. Ideas are the catalyst for this transformation. They're accessible in books, through conversations, and from the world around us. However, the key lies in actively seeking them. Remember, the need for ideas isn't enough. One must be a proactive seeker. The pursuit, assimilation, and application of new ideas can revolutionize our lives. Minor refinements in our ideas, a slight change in our daily routines, can build momentum over time, significantly altering our course. So let us ask ourselves, starting tomorrow, what will we do differently? What minor adjustment will we make to change our direction? Without action, without embracing change, we risk repeating the past 5 years. We hold the power of choice. And let us not overlook the power of influence. Each of us has the ability to influence others through our ideas, our actions, and our demeanor. To maximize this influence, we must continuously learn, adapt, and grow. Rohn taught us that success is not a matter of circumstance but of choice. It is not something we wait for, but something we actively pursue through daily habits and decision. He emphasized the importance of self-discipline, of not only setting goals but committing to the actions that will bring those goals to fruition. One of the most critical lessons from Jim Rohn is the concept of self-education. The pursuit of knowledge, he argued, is a lifelong endeavor. He often said that formal education will make you a living, that self-education will make you a fortune. This is not just about financial success. It's about enriching your life, expanding your mind, and enhancing your understanding of the world and your place in it. Furthermore, Jim Rohn taught us the importance of reflection and introspection. He believed that we should take time to reflect on our actions, our decisions, and the course of our lives. This process of reflection enables us to learn from our experiences, to understand our successes and failures, and to make more informed decisions in the future. One also placed great emphasis on the value of time. He viewed time as a precious resource, one that should be used wisely and productively. He encouraged us to think about how we spend our days, for in doing so, we are deciding how we spend our life. Each moment, each choice, each action shapes our destiny. He was a strong advocate for taking responsibility for our lives. According to Rohn, you cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction. This empowering message reminds us that while we may not have control over every aspect of our lives, we have control over our actions and reactions. We have the power to steer our lives in the direction of our choosing. Lastly, Jim Rohn taught us the importance of giving back, of sharing our knowledge, experiences, and wealth with others. He believed that success is not just about personal gain, but about helping others achieve their goals and dreams. It's about making a positive impact on the world, leaving a legacy that endures long after we are gone. In summary, the teachings of Jim Rohn are not just lessons in success. They are lessons in life. They are about making the most of every opportunity, about continually growing and learning, and about being the best version of ourselves. As we move forward, let us carry these lessons with us. Let them guide our actions and decisions, and let us use them to inspire and influence those around us. Thank you, and let us all strive to live a life that reflects the wisdom and principles of Jim Rohn.